Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable transparency mode on your Redmi Buds 6 Lite. So let's get started with open the application to show it to you, and also I put these earphones to my ears. So right now, as you can see, we have noise cancellation, and to enable transparency mode you can just press and hold on your left earbud. So press and hold. And after noise cancellation, we have transparency. If I press and hold again, it changed to off. So if you have the same right here, just press and hold one time to enable ANC and then transparency mode. Or you can also click right here and click on the transparency, choose transparency, and we have it. This is the second option. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!